to the Home Creation Studio at Eastbrook Homes. I'm Ann Wieringo, the director of the studio, and today we're going to be talking about the top design trends for 2024. One of the hottest trends for the last few years have been all-white kitchens and your classic traditional subway backsplash. In 2024, one of the biggest changes that we're going to see is that we're not going to see all-white kitchens anymore. It's going to be a blend of warmer tones and white. So I would say that's one of the first trends that we're going to talk about. If you take a look at the palette that we have here, we've got white combined with a cabinet that's called Gray Mist. We're warming things up a little bit. So whether or not the Gray Mist is going to be an accent used just on your island, or it's going to be all of the base cabinets in your kitchen combined with the white, this is something that we need to be on the lookout for. So the second trend that we're going to talk about is incorporating high contrast elements. That could be through paint color. You can see we have a Sherwin-Williams color here. It's called Iron Ore. This is a really dynamic color if it's used sparingly. It can be combined with our Gray Mist cabinet. It could be used as an accent wall. You can create high contrast through different various stained elements or even architectural features within your home, like interior door hardware. These can give pop, character, and a lot of interest. It makes a space exciting. The third trend that we're going to talk about today is the introduction of stained cabinets back into our kitchens. While white has dominated our world and our homes, we are now starting to see more mid-range stains come into our furniture, come into our cabinets, and when you pair them with some of the high contrast elements that we were just describing in trend 2, they really can be dynamic. You can even look at bringing in more modern faucets, whether that's in your kitchen or in your baths. Some of the other trends that we're seeing is quartz countertops and luxury vinyl plank. These are still going to reign over 2024. If you are building new or if you're just refreshing, you could consider a sheet vinyl flooring that has color, texture, and pattern. We also are going to see luxury vinyl tile. So this is something that we've seen more and more over the last few years in our mudroom areas and in our bathroom spaces. When it comes to backsplash, we talked a little bit about the classic subway tile. Always a good choice. However, this year we're going to start to see more texture, more shapes, interesting patterns. Even if we just go a little bit larger on the tile, we also are now going to see some color, which is very exciting. The last trend that I'm going to talk to you about today is the concept of bringing the outdoors in. This has been around for as long as I can remember, but it's really in full force for 2024. It's called biophilic design, nature within. So that could be through plants. It could also be through the design of your house, whether it's bringing in large windows to be able to capture what's happening out in the natural world inside during all 4 seasons of the year.